Privacy enhancement. Anonymous transactions. Although Bitcoin transactions are pseudonymous, tools like CoinJoin and service like Wasabi Wallet enhance privacy by mixing transactions to obscure their origin and destinations. Confidential transaction. Developments in Bitcoin's protocol aim to improve privacy further by hiding transactions amount and participants. Number 8. Microtransactions and content monetization. Micropayments, low-cost transactions. Bitcoin enables micropayments that are infeasible and traditional payment systems due to high fees. With traditional payment system due to high fees. This is useful for tipping, pay-per-view content, and small online purchases. Streaming payments. The Lightning Network allows for streaming payments where small amount of bitcoins are sent continuously, ideal for content creators and service providers. Content monetization. Direct support. Content creators can receive direct supports from their audience in Bitcoin, bypassing traditional platforms that takes a significant cut of the revenue. Paywalls and subscriptions. Websites and services can implement Bitcoin paywalls and subscription models, offering an alternative revenue stream that is accessible to a global audience. Number 9. Investment and speculation. Investment asset. Portfolio diversification. Bitcoin is increasingly considered a legitimate asset class for portfolio diversification. Its low correlation with traditional assets like stocks and bonds make it an attractive hedge. Institutional investment. Growing interest from institutional investors facilitated by products like Bitcoin, ETFs, and futures has legitimized Bitcoin as an investment asset. Speculative trading, high volatility. Bitcoin's price volatility attracts traders looking to profit from short-term price movement. The speculative activity contributes to Bitcoin's liquidity and market depth. Now, Bitcoin's use cases are diverse and continue to evolve as the ecosystem matures. From serving as digital gold and a medium of exchange to enabling financial inclusion and decentralized finance, Bitcoin's impact on the global financial landscape is significant. Its unique properties and ongoing developments ensures that Bitcoin remains a versatile and valuable tool for individuals and institutions alike. Understanding these use cases provides insight into Bitcoin's potential and the innovative ways it is being utilized worldwide, guys. Now let's come to topic number 3, challenges and criticism. Now, Bitcoin, despite its numerous advantages and growing adoption, faces a range of challenges and criticisms. These span technical, economic, environmental, and regulatory dimensions. Here is a comprehensive exploration of the key challenges and criticisms of Bitcoin, guys. Number 1, scalability issue. Transaction throughput. Limited capacity. Bitcoin's block size limit, 1 MB, and 10-minute block time restrict the number of transactions the network can handle, leading to congestions and high fees during peak times. comparison with traditional systems. Traditional payment systems like Visa can process thousands of transactions per second, while Bitcoin can handle around 7 transactions per second, highlighting a significant scalability gap. Solutions and trade-offs. Layer 2 solutions. Technologies like Lightning Network aim to elevate concessions by enabling off-chain transactions. However, they come with their own set of challenges such as network liquidity and user adoption. On-chain scaling. Proposals to increase block size or adjust block times have been contentious as they evolve trade-offs between decentralization, security, and scalability. Now, number two, environmental impact, energy consumption, high energy usage. Bitcoin mining consumes significant amount of electricity with estimated comparing its energy usage to that of entire countries. This has raised concerns about its environmental sustainability. Carbon footprint. Much of the mining activity is powered by non-renewable energy sources, contributing to carbon emissions and climate changes. Efforts to mitigate. Efforts to mitigate renewable energy. Some mining operations are transitioning to renewable energy sources, and there are initiatives to promote sustainable mining practices. Alternative consensus mechanism. Discussion around moving away from proof of work (POW) to less energy intensive consensus mechanism. Tough challenges for Bitcoin due to its established protocol and community resistance. Number three, regulatory and legal risks. Regulatory uncertainty. Varied global approaches. Different countries have adopted divergent regulatory stances towards Bitcoin, ranging from outright bans to legal recognition and regulations. This creates uncertainty for users and businesses. Compliance challenges. Businesses dealing with Bitcoin must navigate complex regulatory landscapes, including anti-money laundering (AML) and know your customers (KYC) requirements. Potential for crackdowns. Government bans. Government may impose bans or strict regulations on Bitcoin trading and usage, impacting its adoption and market value. Taxation and reporting. Increasing scrutiny from tax authorities requiring reporting of Bitcoin holdings and transactions, uh, complicating compliance for users. Number four, security concerns. Exchange vulnerabilities. Exchange hacks. Centralized exchange have been frequent target of hacking attacks, leading to significant losses of users' funds. Custodial risk. Users storing Bitcoin on exchange face risk associated with the exchange security practices and potential insolvency. User security. Private key management. The responsibility of managing private keys lies with the users. Losing a private key means losing access to Bitcoin, leading to irrecoverable losses. Phishing and scams. Users are vulnerable to phishing attacks, scams, and social engineering which can result in the theft of their Bitcoin. Number five, economic and market issues. Price volatility. high volatility, Bitcoin's price is highly volatile. With significant fluctuations over short periods, this volatility can deter its use as a stable store of value or medium of exchange. Speculative nature. A large portion of Bitcoin's market activity is driven by speculation, contributing to price swings and market manipulation. Market manipulation. Whale influence. Large holders, whales, can manipulate the market by making substantial trades affecting prices and market sentiments. Lack of regulation. The relatively unregulated nature of cryptocurrency markets makes them susceptible to practice like pump and dump schemes and wash trading. Number 6, usability and adoption barriers. Technical complexity. User experience. The process of buying, storing, and using Bitcoin can be complex and intimidating for non-technical users, hindering widespread adoption. Wallet management. Managing multiple wallet addresses, understanding transaction fees, and securing private keys require a certain level of technical knowledge. Merchant adoption. Limited acceptance. While growing, the number of merchants accepting Bitcoin is still limited compared to traditional payment methods. Price stability. Merchants may be hesitant to accept Bitcoin due to its price volatility, which can impact profit margins.
So guys, that's all about this video tutorial. I hope that you found this video useful. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit that like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell for more informative videos. All right, so thank you for watching and see you next time. Till then, bye bye.